This tote bag is far exceeded my expectations. It has wheels, but I did not realize that this was in 2 pieces and completely collapsible. So it's going to be easy for storage and wonderful for travel or whatever you decide to use this for. But let me show you how easy this is first. This is the cart part, and you just lock it into place. The handle comes up. And then this is the tote bag. You can see that the tote bag is folded flat, so it's good for storage when you're not using it. And then on the back, there is a canvas slot. You put it over top of the handle. Easy as that. There are Velcro slots to hook this to the handle right here. And then there are Velcro slots that connect to the bottom also for extra stability. Now, inside you have the flat bottom, so put that in the bottom and then it expands. So as soon as I get this in here, I'll show you. But look at the inside of this tote bag. That is very roomy. This would be good for an overnight stay or maybe 2 nights if you have business stuff you want to take, but also a couple changes of clothes. It has everything, every kind of pocket that you can think of. There's a laptop pocket on the inside that's padded. There are slots up here you could use for pencils, pens, makeup brushes. There are so many different padded and mesh pockets up here. This is so that you can, when this is up, you can hook it to the handle so that the lid stays up for you. But this is an amazing deal. This is so much better than I was expecting. It is padded all the way around the outside. On the inside, there are mesh pockets. There are Velcro pockets and Velcro pads. There are places on each side, zip pockets on each side. There are zip pockets in the front. Also, there are carry handles on each side, so it's easy to lift. And there is also a removable, let me pull this down so you can see. There's a removable, adjustable, padded strap. So if you didn't want to use it on wheels, you could just throw it over your shoulder. Or, you know, like if you're someplace where, you know, maybe you're gonna roll it, but then you need to go up steps. Let me unhook this and I'll show you. So you would have this zipped. Oops, I got it hung up in the, there we go. Anyway, we would have this zipped up. There we go. So we would have this zipped up, but then, you know, let's say you're rolling it, but then you get someplace you need to go up steps. It has this nice carry handle, and you can change the length of it. It has a pad on here, or you can take the strap off altogether. I'm going to use this for craft supplies, but you could use it for anything. You could use it for your knitting stuff, your crochet stuff. Oh, teacher. This would be wonderful for a teacher because there's so much room on the inside. And then on the front, there are actually 2 zipper places on the front. And this one has a place for files. I mean, they have thought of everything when they created this bag. Definitely would give this 5 stars.